Hey, it's Victor from Smoky Pan, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. So I got this knife during my friend's birthday party where we were trying to cut something super soft like a birthday cake, and then it just pulled the blade right out of the handle and fell apart, which was fun. Anyway, so I had to polish off the rust from the tang and the blade, as well as a little bit off the edge, but I wanted to be more careful there because I could do irreparable damage. So this video is only 3.5 minutes, and I'm not going to keep narrating the whole way because I am not entirely sure what I was doing. In the end, it ended up nice and sharp just like I wanted.